Okay, and here we have the Apple Watch in gold with Milanese loop. So let's go ahead and pop that one open. Okay, Milanese loop and the actual Apple Watch is going to be in here. Very nice little soft case here, keeping it nice and safe. And here is the box itself, and some instructions here of how to pair your phone and your watch together. We have the charger, which appears to be identical to the previous version. Okay, and then we also have the 5-watt charge block. And everyone here is the gold. If I can get it out. There we go. Wow, this is gorgeous. And it's already turning on. There you have it. That is the gold. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna open up the loop now. Wow, very, very nice. Okay. This is like this bronze gold color. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. Now notice with these bands that are not the rubber, it's easier to slide a little piece first, halfway through, and then halfway through, and then you connect. And there you go. Beautiful color. Let's take a close look at it, real close. Okay, so let's move on to the 40 millimeter watch. Tap got stuck from the box there. It is visibly smaller. To me, it's obviously, actually, to me, it's a big difference when comparing both side by side. Still just as capable, of course. Okay, and here we have all three together. And if we look, you can tell that the 44 and the 42 aren't that far apart. They're very, very close in size when you look at them side by side, right? You see they're not that much different. With the focus being the 40 now versus the 42, it is a little tinier. You can actually visibly see the size difference here in the bottom. I'll tell you though, if you are worried that this one's too big now, it is really not much of a difference when compared to the smaller one. The smaller one's still smaller than the old 42. I do think that the smaller one looks a little more bubbly than the bigger version of the watch. So, you know, this is handy for those ladies that are thinking that it might look too big on your wrist. So we're gonna have a man's wrist and a female's wrist showing the watch sizes now as well, so you guys can compare and see what you want to look like. And here's a shot of it on a woman's wrist. This is the 44. And here's a shot of it on a man's wrist. And here we have the 40 millimeter on a female's wrist. Putting it on a guy's wrist, already I'm noticing that I can't even get it slid on without actually undoing the entire loop. Here's the smaller watch on a guy's wrist. Again, a little too tiny. Okay, and there you have it. There is the hands-on review of the gold Apple Watch Series 4. We will also be doing a video pretty soon with the phone, the gold phone and watch matching together. If you guys want to try to get both, you'll be able to see what it looks like if you had both. I'll put that up shortly. Thanks, have a great day.